Good morning students. In this video session, I am going to teach about the simple strategies for developing the algorithm. So in this topic, I am going to explain about the steps and the strategies what we are using in the algorithm. Okay. So you are going to see the steps how to develop your algorithm as well as what are the strategies. Strategies means what are the ideologies, what are the methods we can implement in your algorithm. Okay. So first, as in already in the previous classes we explained how to develop your algorithm, right? So few steps for developing the algorithm. First, obtain the description about the problem, that is get the clear knowledge about the problem. First you have to know what's the problem, how to find the solution, all the things you have to analyze it, right? So obtain all the description of the problem. Then analyze the problem, okay, and in the analysis only how to solve and what are the strategies we can implement it inside the algorithm. We have to analyze this. In this analysis only we have to think whether we have to use looping or we have to use selection statements, whether we have to use sequential, anything we have to analyze it. After analyzing, we have to develop the algorithm, write the algorithm. Then we have to manually check whether your algorithm is giving proper solution by giving the finite set of inputs. After developing the algorithm, we have to give the input. By giving the input, we have to check whether its working is properly or not. If any modification is there, refining the algorithm with more details or more logics, we have to refine your algorithm. After that, again you have to check and review it. These are the steps to develop the algorithm. Okay. Then if you are seeing the strategy, means there are 4 strategies are there for developing the algorithm. The first one is top-down approach, and second one is bottom-up approach, and the third one is iteration, and the fourth one is recursion. These are the 4 strategies for developing an algorithm. Okay. The first 2 things, this bottom-up approach and the top-down approach, comes under the modularization concept. What is modularization concept? It is nothing but function concept. For example, one big problem is there, means we are dividing the problem into small modules. Again the problem is divided into small submodules. These types of concept is called as modularization. For that only, in the programming concept, they introduce the function, breaking the complex problem into small problems, and the small problems will be executed and got the results, then it should be combined. Okay. Inside this modularization concept only, these 2 approaches are there. One is top-down approach, second one is bottom-up approach. Top-down approach means nothing but, as I told already, one big complex problem is there. It is divided into small problems called modules. Again the small problems are divided into submodules, and each submodules are iterated or executed again and again, and we will solve the complexity, okay, one by one. That is called as top-down approach. While you are going for bottom-up approach means it is the revised process. Okay. First of all, we will find the complexity, whatever present in the basic things and most concrete things. Then one by one, the small submodules are combined as big modules, and we are we are finding the solution for the complexity. So all of you understood what is top down and bottom up. Top down means from the complex to smaller. Then bottom approach means smaller modules will complete it, then the modules will be joined to the bigger modules. All of you understood. The third one is iteration or looping. Already you know about looping, right? What is iteration or looping? Set of instruction repeatedly executed, right? That is called as iteration or looping. Set of instruction will be executed again and again till the condition is satisfied or till the definite number of iterations. Okay. These things you studied in the building blocks of algorithm. What is looping? Looping is nothing but repeat the set of instruction until the condition is satisfied. All of you got it? So we can see one example in the looping, so you will get the clear idea in the looping. Here, the example is to display n numbers. What's the meaning to display algorithm to display n numbers? I want to display n numbers. For example, my n is here 5. Consider any one input. My n is 5. So, I want to print or display 5 numbers. I want to know the starting thing. I want to know the ending thing. Okay. So, as you know already, what are the 3 steps in looping? Main 3 steps. Initialization, condition, then increment or decrement. First we have to initialize the conditional variable, then check the condition, then increment or decrement. Why you want to initialize the variable? For knowing the starting position. See, first read n. For example, my n is 5. Then initialize I equal to 1. Why I am initializing here? I want to know the starting position where I want to start. So I am going to print from 1. That's what initialize I equal to 1. This is the starting position. Then I want to check the condition. See here, repeat steps 4.1 and 4.2 until I less than n. What's the value of I here? 1 less than equal to, what's the value of 5? N, 5. So, till the I value reaches 5, this 4.1 and 4.2 steps will be executed again and again. That is looping. All of you got it? Till this condition is satisfied. This I value also want to be 5. Till that, these 2 statements, print I and increment, will be executed again and again. Okay. Now listen, I will explain the algorithm. Start is used to denote the starting position of your algorithm. Then I want to know n value, so read n. Read n is the n value is get from the user. Then initialize I equal to 1. Why? I am giving the starting position here. Then I am checking a condition. While I less than n, what's the I value? 1. 1 less than equal to 5. Condition is true or false? True. If this condition is true, repeat 4.1 and 4.2. What is 4.1? I, print I. So it will print 1. What's the next step? Increment I equal to I plus 1. I am incrementing the conditional variable. Why I am incrementing here? If you are not incrementing, means the I value should not reach the value 5. If it is should not reach the value 5, it should not be terminated. Your loop should not be terminated. If your loop should not be terminated, means it will leads to the infinite loop. You won't get any answer. It is repeating again and again and again. Always it will display 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 like. It is an infinite loop. To stop the loop, to terminate the loop, we want to use increment or decrement. As this logic, we want to use increment. So I value equal to I plus 1. Now here what's the I value? Now the I value is 2. Again here. Repeat, right? So again we are checking the condition. Now what's the I value? 2. 2 less than equal to 5. Condition true or false? Condition is true. So it will print 2. Now again I equal to I plus 1. So I value is 3. So again repeat. So 3 less than equal to 5. Condition true or false? Condition is true. So again print I. So it will print 3. Now increment I plus 1. What's the value? 4. Now again 4 less than equal to 5. Condition is true. It will print 4. Now the I value is 5. Again 5 less than equal to 5. Condition is true. So 5 will be printed. The next step, see here. What's the I value? 6. 6 less than equal to 5. Condition true or false? False. At that time, it will come out, okay, and reaches the stop. Okay. So all of you understand the looping concept? Set of instruction, these 2 steps, repeatedly executed again and again till this condition is false. Got it? The next one is recursion. What is recursion? Function that call itself again and again is called as recursion. One function is there, the function will call again and again. So till the base condition is false. So in the recursion means one function will be there, one condition will be there, till the condition false. Like this iteration, the statements or instruction will be executed again and again. But till now you didn't study the function, so in detail about function and recursion you will study in the third unit. I hope you understand the strategies of algorithm. Thank you, students.